Okay, sorry. I was.
Yeah. So well, you can start using this one. And now I wanted to show you how to export your old definitions
Okay.
of sets and tables. So
Yeah.
you go to the Veda application folder.
In
On
the
yes,
folder.
in Explorer, go to localhost 170. Yes, come one level up. One
Ah,
level up.
like this.
Yes. So you see this Veda SnT to Excel migration. Open this Excel file. And enable the macros. So now you see this says that it will migrate from Veda SnT to Veda 2. So you have to select two things. One is the SNT file, the source, and second is to locate the model folder that you will use under Veda 2. So click OK. So in the first box, browse for the SNT file. So
Oh, and then I just
no, you have to locate the SNT. So
like this.
yeah, so you have to find the Veda underscore SNT.mdb.
Is that on the end or?
Second last, yes. Open. And the second one, you have to show it the model. So browse. And now you have to go to Veda models, and your draft thing. Yes, okay. That's it. Convert to Excel.
And I think this model I have never imported to Veda backend, but that doesn't matter. Or
Okay, that's it. Close.
so
Close the
exit.
file. Yeah, you can exit.
Yeah.
If you go to results, and did you already have a sets file there?
If I had what kind of file?
A sets file with set declarations? I guess you did. So
Yes,
just
I did. Yeah.
click on the list there.
Let's see
On the
which list.
top right, the list of views.
Top right.
Top right, yeah,
On this one.
yes. So it has brought the views that you had in Veda backend.
Ah, okay.
Okay, sets, yes. So you can close this. And now you go to the root folder of your model. So you can do that with Navigator. It's always better to use the Navigator because you're always sure that you're going to the right place.
Ah, I'm
So
sorry,
go
Navigator. Now I'm with you.
Navigator and click on the folder icon in base scenarios.
Let's see, where are we now?
Folder icon. Yeah,
no.
in the folder. Yes, yes. So this way you are sure that you are in the right folder because.
That's a good one. Yes, I see what you mean.
Okay, now the sets file that was being used is this one, is the sets.xls, and auto migrate sets is what the new what was just written.
Okay, so now we have to, and
So
should I keep both of them or should I just
no,
copy?
you should copy. It's only the sets file that is read.
So I should copy. I
And
will open both of them and then I will copy.
yes, exactly. And I would recommend that you put the model name or something in front of sets because you may get lost with this name.
Can I just? Then I can just import this one to.
Yes, you can. I mean, you can just make another sheet.
Yeah.
Yes.
So they don't need to follow a certain structure or something with the namings on the sheet
No.
names.
It will, but just, I mean, if the sets are overlapping, then the one that comes later might override. So just make sure that there is no duplication of sets across these two tables.
Yeah, and I think
Just for your own sanity.
Yeah,